Luli. Inside this little home, a little puppy happily roams.
With every hour he grows some more, and we all call him Sunny.
Sunny, 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 hey. Around the world, Sunny has been, sunny, sunny, and asks questions of what he has seen. Sunny, sunny. With every hour he grows some more,
and we all call him Sunny.
Sunny, sunny, hey. Sunny. The lemons on the tree are ripe, and Mom is making lemonade for Sunny. Here, do you see, sweetheart? I'm squeezing the lemons.
Lemons, huh?
A lemon is a citrus fruit. What color is a lemon? Have a look. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yellow!
Yellow, that's right. See what a lovely smell a lemon has. It has a wonderful smell,
Yes,
doesn't
it does.
Now touch it. It's smooth.
Huh? Oh, it's cold.
Yes, it's cold. You can put some lemon in a salad. You can put lemon in a cake, too.
I want to eat the lemon.
What kind of taste does a lemon have? Do you know?
No.
No. I'll make you lemonade, and then you'll know.
Huh? Lemonade.
Yes, a drink made from lemons. This way you'll be able to taste a lemon.
Oh, yes, I want to taste one.
Wonderful. Lemons are delicious and also very healthy. That's it. I've squeezed enough lemons, and now I'll pour you a glass. Here you are. Yes, we can add a little water.
Water.
And now, all that's left is to add a little sugar. I'll be right back,
Sugar.
sweetheart. Wait 1 minute.
Lemonade. Oh, I love lemonade.
What's wrong, honey? What happened?
The lemonade.
You tasted the lemonade?
Yes, Icky, the lemonade tastes so bad.
Of course, it's very sour.
Icky.
I haven't finished preparing it,
It's
Sunny.
sour.
We have to add some sugar to the lemons because they're sour.
Sugar?
Here you are, 1 teaspoon of sugar in the glass. We stir it up. That's it. Now the lemonade will be delicious.
I don't want any.
Oh, Sunny, don't be afraid. Come have a try. A small sip.
Okay.
Well,
It's good.
of course. I'll have some too. It's delicious.
Wow, I love lemonade.
Well done, Sunny. Well done. It was very good of you to taste the lemonade again. Lemon, lemon, taste so sour in your mouth and also on your tongue. Lemon, lemon, to you we say you need some sugar to make our day. Lemon, lemon, taste so sour, but add some sugar, it turns to lemonade.
It's so delicious.
Lemonade, 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 lemonade. Do you want to drink some more, Sunny?
Yes.
Well done, Sunny.
I love lemonade.
Lemon, lemon, taste so sour in your mouth and also on your tongue. Lemon, lemon, to you we say you need some sugar to make our day. Lemon, lemon, taste so sour, but add some sugar, it turns to lemonade.
So delicious.
Lemonade, 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 lemonade. Sunny, Sunny, Sunny! Hey! Lemonade! Sunny drank all the lemonade. He liked liked the taste of it so much, he even asked for another glass.
Another, please.